The last 2 episodes were straight fire. We got to see a little bit of the villain action, which was cool. We got to see some humanity amongst them, even though they're all actually insane.
Scratchy actually loves his squad.
Scratchy's so... I kind of like his design. Like when he took his father's hand off and his lips were all fucked up. They're all like dry and shit.
Like they're all dry.
Yeah. Like Scratchy needs some chapstick, like Burt's Bees ASAP.
All water. I wonder if his father's still alive.
That would be quite the twist.
He could be alive with no hands.
He could be. That episode was fire. And then, oh my God, Mirio. Now he's like one of the best characters in the show. People say I look like him, which is cool too. But
you should honestly do a cosplay of him.
I should.
Like,
my eyes are like really similar.
You fucking promised everyone that you would do a Gordon cosplay from Black Clover, and it never happened.
When the movie comes out, bro. When the movie comes out. But the thing is, Mirio, you can't help but think what he would be like if he had One for All. He's kind of the perfect candidate. Like, I'm almost Team Sir with this one. Not really. I love Deku.
But he'd be so much stronger than Deku right now.
He has all the traits naturally too. Like he didn't when he was growing up, but he worked towards it. Like he's smiling to Eri.
If like fucking,
he would still have permeation.
How the fuck would they have 2 powers? So they could just punch really hard?
Yeah, you would have One for All where he has this super strength and he can channel all the power from the past ones. And then you'd have permeation, so he'd be a beast. But Deku's coming in now and he's about to prove why he was chosen, why he's the right choice.
No, he's gonna save Mirio's life. Isn't Mirio like about to die?
Kind of. He didn't have his quirk and it didn't even phase him. Like he's so badass. And he was still affected by that the slosher guy's quirk. Sloshed. So he was still feeling intoxicated when he was fighting and his movements were still on point. It was incredible. What a scene. Music was perfect, everything perfect. All right, this one, episode 75, Unforeseen Hope. I don't know if we're ready for this. Overhaul has some serious issues. Oh, dude, I didn't even talk about it, but Overhaul, when he was younger and he was connected with the Yakuza member said people would not follow him if he didn't have a human side to him. And you see how all of his guys are like following him, like they love him. Overhaul doesn't feel anything for them. He's just using them.
You don't think he likes any of his guys?
No, I think he's just all about the mission and it's all a farce to get people to follow him. I could be completely wrong in that, but you were saying Shiggy's different from him. Like Shiggy actually cares a little bit and you may be right with that.
He like likes his guy.
But Overhaul's so successful in making people fight for him. Like his guys were crying, fighting for him, putting their lives on the line. Maybe there's something behind it, but I think he's kind of like a cold-hearted demon. Damn! He has pupils!
Let's go, Deku.
Dude!
He comes out with his tongue.
He's coming out with the fucking shoot style. Sir. God damn, Sir's ripped.
The fuck?
This guy has serious issues. Do you think Overhaul will boost himself? They should make Fat Gum boost himself. He'd be like so obese, it'd be insane. Dude, Sir needs to button up. Because I'm thinking about the tickle table now and it's making me uncomfortable.
You like it.
Think about what Bubbles has seen.
I mean, you probably like it.
He said if they're involved, Deku is out, and he's going to let Deku go? What?
I like Rock.
I can't believe he's alive.
He should be dead. I think he died in the manga.
Damn. They're all fighting for this moment. Dude, I like that he gave Red Riot recognition there. Fuck yeah.
The only one that's full strength is Deku. The thing collapses on Rock Lock. Do you think they'd go back or not enough time?
Oh, hold up.
The fuck?
That's his wife, 4 years younger.
I think she slept with someone else. I don't think it's hers.
What do you... What? Damn. The recognition. Get her, Deku!
There you go. He hated Deku in the beginning. Remember, he didn't even want him at the table.
Bro, he wants
Fuck you,
a
Rock
good
Lock.
world for his kid.
Do you think he's trying to look up her skirt?
Yeah. 100%. Oh no, they're gonna move in after. They may bring in more
Let's
of the
go.
of the villains. Yo, Aizawa and Sir are coming in too?
Oh, fuck
Oh, he went with
yeah.
a punch. Unforeseen hope.
Dude, Overhaul is done. He's like all weak already.
Oh my god. Yeah, that
Can't let
connected.
those hands touch him.
And he erased it.
Why are they?
Like, Mirio is an effing beast. He can't get out. Sir, embracing them. Bro, he is amazing. He's his son.
Who's Chrono?
Oh no.
Oh shit. Who the fuck? I thought he was
Chrono,
out
man.
cold. He was just pretending to die.
Nah, he was
He was playing
he
dead.
got chucked. Used as a weapon. Oh my god, bro. What a technique.
Oh, shit.
Keep it open, Aizawa. No! Fuck! Oh, I thought he was gonna touch Deku. That would have been so bad. See, he definitely doesn't care. I guess he can just heal him. Oh, there's some recognition there.
What is he doing? Oh my god, did he just kill him?
I thought he was gonna heal him. Did he like combine his cells with his?
Oh my god.
Shit!
Is he still?
No, his consciousness is gone. Oh my!
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
What did he do?
broke down
He
his
just, like,
he
didn't
broke down his
even-
guy's cells and took all the good ones for him.
So he killed him.
Yeah. What is going on here?
Vic starts humping him.
Take time to get in a little fun. Oh,
What the fuck? Where are they? How did they get out of there?
damn, this guy kind of looks cool.
Where are they? I'm so confused.
He took him into the back room.
Granddaughter. His boss's granddaughter.
I thought he cared about that guy. Do you think he can go back and bring his underling back or no?
I think he's stuck like that.
Look at Sir.
Why did he look like that? He think I'm over here. Why doesn't Sir do anything?
Oh my god, this music.
What?
That's what he wants to do?
I think he lost it already. He's like a fucking monster. Deku's saving this. Let's go. What's that called?
It's dangerous because you can't really touch him. Because he can just break anything apart.
Damn. Those shoes are strong.
Thank God for babies. What the f- Sir, come on.
Chess pieces.
There's stamps. They weigh
I
a
think
lot.
Sir's about to die. Can you imagine if he gets blown up?
Wait, does he have to make eye contact and then touch him?
Yeah, he has to touch him.
He'll fight
shit,
for
I feel like
Lemillion.
Sir's
Oh
gonna
my-
sacrifice himself.
いいかミリオ、状況を経験し蓄積するんだ。救助、戦闘、困難苦難、データベースになる。
Always learning. And then conditioning your opponent. It's like me in Smash Bros. Oh,
He sees it.
damn. It's so cool what he sees when he fights. Wow.
見なくてもいいって言ったはずだろう。私が見た未来は変えられません。何度も確かめました。分岐することはありませんでした。
Deku's gonna be the change, though.
見ることでその人の未来を決定づけて、彼の未来は変わっていたんじゃないでしょうか。
Oh, shit.
What would happen
That's
if
why
he
he didn't
saw
want to
the
use it.
future killing him?
Get out of my office. That's why he was freaking out at that meeting, at the table. He feels accountable.
I think he's gonna die. I think he knew he was gonna die.
私とミリオンが求める医療の結末を。
Oh no. Dude, what did he see?
Everyone dying.
I think he sees himself die. You could be right. Or he sees Deku being a complete boss. Wait a
That's it.
second. Can she do something here?
I think she can like go with him and stop it. She's gonna go with him.
Maybe she can enhance their quirks or something.
Oh shit.
Sir? Sir!
I knew it. No fucking way.
Dude, you can't live from that unless you have the granny close. Eri may be like, save him and I'll go with you. Deku with blood spray? Sir!
He really got fucked up.
Oh my...
Don't waste Sir's life. Oh shit.
Let's go. Levels, man. He can always
Is
reach
he
in
gonna
for
save
more.
Sir? Do you think he's losing it?
No, he's about to step up. 20%. Dude. Dude. If Deku changes the future,
For the first time. He'll really believe in him then. The fuck? Damn.
dang. One blow has to end it all.
He has to do it 1,000,000%.
Manchester.
Manchester.
Dang.
Oh shit. Is that bitch? He dodged it.
Oh god. Oh god, Deku.
What?
Oh. No, someone
I
else
think
got
Sir
hit.
took
Someone
it
else
again.
got hit.
Sir, I think Sir got hit in the head. Damn, everyone's getting fucked up. It was that bad? What the fuck? He's gonna pass out. She probably feels so bad.
That much blood from that? What the fuck?
What the fuck? Oh my god, she's not gonna go back with him.
That is
she
so
goes back
that
with
is so fucked up that he tortures her like this. He just breaks her down, heals her, breaks her down, heals her. Oh
she
no. She doesn't want people to be hurt.
Well, Sir's dead already.
Is that Mimic's power?
Deku should grab her and run. Oh fuck. Deku's not gonna let him just take her.
No way. Oh god. This music's getting too epic though.
Yeah, he's saving her.
Where he was killed?
Wait, what? Oh shit. Let's go, Deku.
Let's change fate. Damn.
Oh shit.
Dragoon?
What the fuck is
Oh,
that?
Araka? And Sue?
Yeah, but who was the...
And Sue?
Why was the fucking... Oh, it's the Dragon Hoe.
Bro, Araka, Sue, and Ryukyu?
Dragon Hoe.
And one of the 8 bullets? But come on. Although I bet he gets combined with... You know what would be
What the
crazy?
fuck was
If...
you possibly doing?
What would be crazy is if Overhaul breaks apart like Sir or something and uses his cells. It would be horrible, but it could happen. Dude, we're running out of time. That was so heat, though. I can't believe Sir saw that he dies and Deku dies. Obviously, that doesn't happen. Infinite 100%.